We'll guide you through how to upload a document in Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. After the page appears, observe the Google Sheets dashboard on the screen. This dashboard displays your recent spreadsheets, as well as options for creating or opening files. Before continuing, decide which document you want to upload into Google Sheets. Make sure the file is available on your computer and easy to locate. Next, move your cursor to the top right corner of the page. In that area, you will see a small folder icon labeled Open File Picker. Click this folder icon to open the file selection window. After clicking it, wait until the File Picker window appears on the screen. Once it opens, observe the different tabs available in the window. These tabs allow you to choose files from different sources, such as Google Drive or your local computer. Look carefully for the Upload tab in the menu. When you find it, click the Upload tab to continue. After selecting it, notice the Upload area appearing on the screen. This section allows you to upload files directly from your computer. To choose your document, click the Browse button. A new window will open showing the files and folders stored on your device. Open the folder that contains the document you want to upload. Once you find the correct file, select the document by clicking it once. After selecting the file, click the Open button to begin the upload process. Wait while Google Sheets uploads the document from your computer. During this process, observe the upload progress displayed on the screen. The progress indicator will show when the file is being transferred and processed. Once the upload is finished, you will notice that the document opens automatically in Google Sheets. The system converts the file into a spreadsheet format, so it can be viewed and edited directly. Take a moment to review the rows and columns that were imported into the sheet. If the text looks crowded inside certain cells, adjust the column width by dragging the column borders. Finally, remember that Google Sheets automatically saves your uploaded document as you continue working.